Welcome to another video in the Shotcut video editing series. I'm Joe, your tech handyman. In this video, I will show you how to create a mask effects using the mask simple shape function of the Shotcut video editor. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe, like, comment. If you're ready, let's dive right in. So guys, open up your Shotcut editor and go to open file to bring in the particular clip that you want to edit. So once you have it on the preview pane, drag it to the playlist like so. So you already have it on the playlist. Now you want to bring it to the timeline by clicking this plus button, and then you have it on the timeline. So I'm just going to increase the size, the video duration up to maybe 20 seconds like that. So quickly I want to remove this dark color to the side, the black color. So just need to do is just go to filters, size, position and rotate, and increase the zoom. I think we already have a video on this channel explaining how this is done. So once we have that ready, so the next thing you want to do is to go all the way to open other. Once you click it open, you see color, click on it, and then you click on the color. We want to select this solid black color for now, so just click OK and then OK again. So once that is done, you can see you have your black color right here, solid black. So we want to bring it to the timeline. Go to the hamburger menu right here, add new video track, then lock the other one so that it doesn't move once you bring in this one in. So I'm going to drag it to the timeline just like so. So I have the solid black color on top of the other video on the timeline. So if I play, this is how it plays. So we are going to add a mask effect on this using the mask simple shape on it. So with this clip selected, go to filters. Once you go to filters, click the plus button in the search bar, just type in mask. So the one you want to use is mask simple shape. Now once you have it, you can see the mask effect is already activated, you know, the solid black color right in the middle of the other clip. So what we want to do is to just add opacity to it by go to filters, type in opacity, and here I'm going to control the opacity from here. I want to leave it a little bit transparent so that you can see through, not totally dark. So I think this is fine. And then we go back to mask simple shape. So we are going to use this place to control both the size and positioning of this our target area in this masking process. So first of all, I want to move it horizontally by dragging this horizontal bar to the right, towards the right. So I'm moving it to the right like so, you know, and then you may need to, this is our target area as a matter of fact, so you may need to be we do this over and over again to be very accurate. So the next one is the width. I will increase the width just like so, and then I want to move it vertically, you know, and then position it somewhere here. So from this position, I want to increase the height by increasing the height. So you can see all the controls here I used to control the target area as it is. So I think that's okay. Then I want to move it vertically down a bit just like so to achieve a perfect positioning. So once that is achieved like so, we'll be ready to try it out. So now as it stands now, if I play this video to that point, this is how it looks. You can see that masking effect transparent nicely right there, but that is not exactly what we want to achieve. So we return back to the beginning of the clip and go to operations. Under the drop down, click on subtract. So once you click on subtract, you can see the other side of the video is actually transparent, but this particular area, target area, is coming on alive. So that is exactly the target area of this masking operation. Okay, so the thing just happens too fast and then too sharp. So we are going to add some other filters to it to make it play nicely. This one is the fade in, fade out. So what we want to do is want it to fade in real nice and fade out real nice. So you go to the bottom corner, top bottom corner of the clip to the right. You see this round black shape. So you drag it out, drag it in and out to create that fade in, fade out effect. So once we play it, you can see it fades in, gently, nicely, and fades out beautifully. That is exactly how mask simple shape works. Now I think the fade out is too far, so I'll increase. So you do this as long as you want, and then again do it as many times as you want. Do it the way you want, basically, should I put it, so that you can achieve the exact result you want. Fade in and then fades out, real easy and real smooth, just like so. Now if I look at the video, I don't think I like the way the transparency is. I think it's too much, so I will make it darker by increasing the opacity. So what I will just do is to return the cursor back to opacity. Then I have to position the playhead right where the fade effect is not there to really see how it looks. So here I will increase the level of opacity to somewhere so it's a little bit darker than it is, so that the target area is more pronounced once we play it. I think I'll do it a little bit more to 91%. That's good enough. So as it is now, once I play it, you can see it fades in real smoothly and nice, and then fades out just like so. So guys, this is how you effect the mask simple shape in Shotcut. Be sure to try it out and see what you can make of this very cool effect to enhance your video editing skill. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next. Bye for now.